Hey, it's Michelle, and I want to talk to you about Earth Animal Cough, Wheeze, and Sneeze. We use this for our dogs, and I just personally mix it with peanut butter. The tinctures that I've had myself don't usually taste very good, so I want to mix it with something that my dog does like. But the good news is that when they have taken this, I see huge improvement in their condition. It just blows my mind. And so far, everyone that I've recommended it to says the same. So, this is an amazing natural product for your dog's sneeze, wheeze, and cough.